Hello, my name is Akiba Lancaster. I live in a small twin island republic in the Caribbean called Trinidad and Tobago. Last year, I decided I wanted to make personalized or customized crafts. To do this, I needed to learn how to customize my own SVG files. So I started looking around for tutorials and I found a few videos, but they were so complicated and hard to follow. I really didn't learn much from them. That is until I found the SVG Superstar course. The course is so well structured and detailed that even me, someone who wouldn't describe themselves as being tech savvy, was able to follow along and learn quickly. Just a few classes into the course, I was able to make my own customized cake toppers and to add personalized touches to my crafts. One other thing about the course that I love is that you do it at your own pace. Being a mother of a toddler, it really helps to be able to plan your time. The course has made me so confident in my SVG designing skills that I plan to soon open a Etsy shop so I could sell my creations.